as we bid farewell to 11 bright souls from the Department of Health Management and Informatics who were taken from us too soon. I bring you heartfelt condolences from the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. His thoughts and prayers are with you all. As an alumni of Kenyatta University, I'm sad to see the lives of our comrades put off so suddenly. The 11 souls we lost were not just students, they were family, both here at college and at their respective homes. They were bright students, full of potential, eager to learn, graduate, and go out to conquer the world. 7 students who are injured and currently recuperating, we shall continue to keep you in our prayers and trust God for your full recovery.
To convey my very heartfelt condolences to the families, friends, and the relatives of the deceased students, and similarly to also convey my deep sympathy
to better each of our lives, but they have departed before they could fulfill their dreams.
Dr. Chumo.
With my soul.
Allah